Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the VEEKTOMX Powerbank. Yeah, this time with 20,000 mAh and cable included. That's the main feature here. Okay, 20,000 mAh, it's the main feature. Powerbank is the main feature. But the killer application is here. The killer thing is the cables, because they are included. That's really cool. USB-C portable charger with 5 outputs. LED display, external mobile phone batteries. It's compatible with the iPhone, with the iPad, with Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and so many other devices out there. We have 4 integrated charging cables. The built-in micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning for iPhone cables are compatible with the iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, and so on. And the USB-C is compatible with the iPad, Samsung Galaxy, Xiaomi, Huawei, OnePlus, etc. Smartphones, no pro. There's no need to take a charging cable with us because they are included with this power bank here. And on top, we are going to charge 5 devices at the same time. We have a portable charger with 5 outputs, 3 cables, 1 USB-A port, 1 USB-C port, which can charge 5 devices at the same time, with each connection maximum 5 volt 2 ampere output. We can charge 5 devices at the same time with a high speed. And we have an intelligent light emitter diode display. This device is equipped with a unique intelligent digital light emitter display that shows the battery level. The accuracy of the energy display is up to 100%, so we can clearly see the battery level. And we have a portable size and a lanyard design with 6.14 to 2.75 to 1 inches. This external battery is easy to carry, of course. Thanks to the unique design of the lanyard, we can hang the external mobile phone battery directly on our backpack. And we can use the power bank any time and, of course, anywhere. And we have an exclusive technology, built-in protection. That means it protects our devices from overcurrent, overheating, and overcharging. The multi-protection safety system ensures comprehensive protection for our devices while we're going to use the power bank quick charge function. The VEEKTOMX can recharge an iPhone 12 4.5 times with 1 battery power. And the VEEKTOMX can so many more. If you are mobile, if you are in outdoor activities, and you have no power supply there, you can use the power bank. Really easy. And we can charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. It delivers power for charging at the same time for a lot of devices. Of course, if you're going to use it for example, 5 iPad Pros, that will not work, okay? Because the iPad Pros need a lot of power. But if you're reload smartphones, batteries, or other devices, you can do this at the same time. But there's no prop, because if it is to match, the device will automatically shut down this plugged-in device. So no prop, no safety problem. And we have a strap cable for easy carrying. And the strap cable is the US or the micro USB cable is the strap cable. This is really smart. It's an adjustable strap cable designed for easy carrying. Free up our hands by hanging the power bank on a handbag or a backpack. This means easy use at any time. And we have a handheld size. The handheld size but large capacity means multi-protected safety system ensures complete protection, and we can use it as an additional smartphone power supply. And we have a non-slip surface designed with light-emitting diodes, non-slip and intelligent displays. The available power status we can read all time. And of course, on the market you can become it in black as shown here, in white and in blue. Of course, on the market are a 10,000 mAh version 2. This is a little bit smaller because it's only 10,000, but here it is the big pack, the 20,000 mAh power bank by VEEKTOMX. With a cable included, USB-C, micro USB, Lightning. That's really cool, I think. And that's a really good device. Really smart, really modern, really clever. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.